Myself, Dr. Prabhakar Gupta, Principal, Shri Ram Murti Smarak College of Engineering and Technology, Bareilly. Shri Ram Murti Smarak College of Engineering and Technology, Bareilly was established in the year of 1996. College offering the following courses: B.Tech in 5 branches, M.Tech in 4 branches, B Pharma, M Pharma, MBA and MCA. College having the state-of-art infrastructure, well-equipped labs, sports grounds, multi-purpose hall, separate hostels for the boys and girls. Every department of college having rich pool of faculty members, excellent result in the university examination. SRMS Trust allocate the fund of rupees 3.5 crore for giving the scholarship for the meritorious student on the basis of the university examinations. The students, those who got the marks more than 75%, they will entitle for the scholarship, and the minimum amount for the scholarship is 20,000 and the maximum amount of the scholarship is rupees 1 lakh. Shri Ram Murti Smarak College of Engineering and Technology having the strong ecosystem for the research and development for the faculty members as well as for the students, and the college provide the financial support for the research and development of our faculty and students. In the year of 2023, the students and the faculty members of the college published 80 research papers in the repute of the journals. College provide the 100% financial support for the publication of the patents and for granting the patents. And in the year of 2023, the students and faculty members published the 25 patents. Complete mentoring provided by the college for the participation of the students in the various technical and cultural and the sports events inside the college and outside the college. College offering the different value addition courses just to meet the requirement of the industry, and college also established the center of excellences in the area like AI and ML, data science and EV, PLC, additive manufacturing and designing. College has established an incubation cell for the promotion of the startups. Thank you very much.